こんにちは、ちあこです。今ですね、レッスンとリハーサルが終わったところなんですけれども、前回アレクさんにウクライナ料理を作ってもらおうということでボルシチを作ってもらったんですけれども、今回はですね、スペイン人のヘラルド君に自分の国の料理を作ってもらいたいと思います。あ、いました彼はね、すごくーって「いやいや!」って言ってたんですけども、私がどうしてもスペイン料理食べたいって言うから「オラー!」そんな話をしておりましたら、もう待っててくれました。アホーイ、オラー。 So are you ready to cook today?
I will not answer the question.
Okay.
Let's see later.
Let's see later. じゃあヘラルド君がおりますので、今日は一緒に行ってみようやっていきたいと思います。 Ready?
Yes.
Okay, wait. それではヘラルド君に自分の国のスペイン料理作ってもらって、せーので行ってみようはい、ということで今から、お買い物をします。So do you know what we have to buy?
Yeah. We need to buy 8 or 10 eggs.
We should buy 2 pack in case.
Well, yeah. 1 kilo of potatoes.
1 kilo?
Yeah.
Oh, ano?
We have to buy also olive.
We have olive oil. I have a lot.
Okay, you have a lot?
I have a lot.
Okay, so perfect. 1 onion.
Salt. I have.
Okay, so that's all.
Yep. Okay. Oh, easy.
Yeah.
よし、それではお買い物始めたいと思います。セルフレジで買います。どうれ。ヌエボというね、面白いショップに来ているんですけど、You know what I wanted to buy?
What?
Is your birthday present. And you know, I asked to Yolan,
What?
that what you like. You know what he said?
What? Come on, oh, you are gonna find in the video put like pee.
はい、ということでお家に Let's go home.
Yeah, let's go
Let's
home.
start to cook.
Luego hablamos que voy a grabar un vídeo cocinando una tortilla. Entonces por eso, con una chica de la compañía. Chao.
That you say you're going to cook.
Yeah, I was asking.
We should clean only this potato.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
maybe.
I can do it this one, and then
I
you
think
can
we-
do it other things.
No, but I think we. No, but we need this.
You can cut onion.
Oh no, I think I give you that one.
Onion?
We need to cut the onion really small.
Really small?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So I will do that.
So do for you. I do the potatoes.
You do the potatoes. はい、ということで私もお手伝いしていきます。ヘラルドはじゃがいもを切っております。When did you cook last time this Spanish omelet?
Well, this is my second time.
This is the second time. Oh.
So I don't know how to do it. And last time I was doing video call.
Why did you start ballet? Did you have friends?
Why
at
I
your-
started?
Yes.
No, because of my cousins. I wanted to be a singer.
Singer. Oh.
But yeah, my cousins, they were dancing ballet. And my mother was like, oh, I subscribe to you. I don't know, in one school of ballet. And
Like
you
in
are,
Spain?
yeah, in my hometown, yes, with my cousins since 6 years old. And after 10 years, one friend of mine went to Madrid to the conservatory to study. Yeah, to Madrid. And I was like, oh, I also wanna do. So I tried once, but I didn't pass. And I went the next year and I passed the audition to the conservatory. So yeah, I was there in the conservatory.
How many years?
5, but one of them I was in Miami, in the Miami Ballet School.
1 year.
1 year.
So
Yeah.
you graduated.
I graduated in Miami and I graduated in my conservatory. I have 2 certificates.
Then you came back.
I came back, I did the exam in the conservatory and I passed the course. Yeah. And after when I finished my last year of the conservatory, I went
When
to...
you were 18?
No, I was 20. Yeah, and after I got contract in Czech Republic. And that's
You came to
Ostrava.
Ostrava.
Yeah, and I was working there in Ostrava 2
I think-
seasons.
We were at the same time in Czech Republic or not?
I was 2017,
その
2017, 2019.
So I was already in Slovakia.
2018 November I came here to do the audition.
So
You
this
were-
is your fourth?
No, it's gonna be next season 4th.
Ah.
It's my 3rd.
And now you're washing
The potatoes.
potatoes. You wash like this.
Yeah, need to wash first like this because after we need to dry.
You're going to
Yeah, I need to dry the potatoes.
ヘラルドがレシピ読み始めまし
After we need to put salt.
た。Okay.
No, you.
No?
I'm not just no.
No?
Because actually I don't.
Hmm?
I don't eat with salt, but I like salt. So
Okay.
do like
Like this?
Yeah, it's fine.
はい、ヘラルドくんがじゃがいもを切り始めました。
You can get it more slim, but no, because after they are like because we need to leave after in the pan for 20 minutes maybe.
Okay.
But like in less level, like in the
Long.
So fast, me 1 hour cutting. We need to we need to add the olive oil.
Wow, I love
Yeah, it's what I told you. That is a lot. It's fine. It's fine. Sorry. I feel bad using so much oil, but it's okay.
No, this is okay.
Yeah, because the potato need to be like
Yeah.
But yeah, we cannot put all that potatoes in here. It's not big.
So
Okay.
it kind of you fry potato.
Yeah, but it has to be really because we don't want like fry.
Yes.
Has to be cooked, but not so cooked.
For 15 minutes.
Yeah, well, we have to check. It's like
Okay.
20 or 30 minutes.
Okay.
And now, can we leave this in another place because also we need to do the eggs.
Okay. Eggs. So what's next? I can.
Ole!
Ale.
Ole! Uy, I don't want to
De
baterte.
Bali. 1, 2.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5 more.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, full.
じゃがいもがすごいよ。すごいオリーブオイルでグツグツして。そう、
Yeah, no?
温度低めでって言ってたけど、低めではない。
Pero bueno, ya está aquí, pero así lo dejo y por cuánto tiempo? Está a fuego 5.
友達に聞いてます。
Vale, chao, os llamo luego, chao. Gracias. Nada, you know they are always there helping.
じゃがいもができたみたいです。味噌こしで。ヘラルドがスペイン料理はめっちゃオリーブオイルを使うって言ってます。スパニッシュオムレツ。
Tortilla de patata.
スパニッシュオムレツ。
No sé en Spanish.
トルティーヤでパタタ。
Very good.
トルティーヤでパタタ。
Yeah. Now we mix everything
Oh.
here and we break a bit the potato to don't have like huge like pieces because I cut it like so big sometimes some of them.
うお。入ります。わ
Okay, dobre.
ー。ああ、it's good.
Yeah. For sure you go to Spain and you will eat better omelette than this one. What? What happened? What is going on?
Maybe it's too high.
Yeah, maybe it's okay, yeah. For a bit.
Okay.
In case, because maybe that one is gonna be after. I don't know if I'm gonna be able.
I know. I can do it if you want.
You can do it?
Yes.
You wanna do it?
I will try.
Okay, go for it.
Oh, it's so heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy.
I do. I think I do.
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Yes!
Okay.
You did it!
Oh, it got burned. It looks terrible. Yeah. It looks terrible. It looks really terrible.
Oh, okay. Fine.
And this we don't have to leave for so long. Fuck. What is this? It looks terrible.
Okay.
Madre mía. So bad.
Yes! ¡Hola! ¡Ole! ¡Tortilla patata! Yes, it's done! できました Gerardo, thank you so much. Gracias.
Nada.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm scared. It's gonna be burning.
Inside it's like this.
I don't know if you have potato there.
Potato? Okay.
Yeah, take
so,
it more
okay.
like that. Yeah. I think we miss a bit of salt, or no?
We missed a bit salt.
It's not like amazing, but it's okay.
なんかこの卵の部分がいっぱいあったらダメみたいです。このじゃがいもと卵がいい感じにミックスされてないとダメみたいで。So it means too much egg.
For a small pan.
Okay.
No, but it's not
Not
that
so
bad.
bad,
Not
yeah.
so bad. We have to go to the
Yes.
Spain. Like this we can eat and drink. Need Coca-Cola.
あ、シガレット。
Cigaretta. In the terrace in the sun of Spain.
Okay, Gerardo. So, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
De nada. Arigato. Matasta.
Hasta mañana. Okay.
Matasta.
本日もご視聴ありがとうございました。頑張ってスパニッシュオムレツを作ってくれたヘラルド君にぜひぜひグッドボタンよろしくお願いします。インスタグラムもフォローお願いします。That they can follow Instagram.
Ah, okay. Gerardo. Rothbard.
ヘラルド・ロットワーではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。せーのでバイバーイ。Hasta
Chao,
mañana.
chao. Hasta mañana. Ole.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky,